everyone. My name is Dr. Melvin Zimande and I am at Pietermaritzburg Girls High School. Today we are hosting our third STEM fair, representing the sciences, technology, engineering and mathematics. Today we are hosting the top 10 academic learners from all the junior schools, and we are exposing them to exciting exhibitors within the sciences and the engineering field. The purpose of the STEM fair is to expose women, young women, into the sciences and the technologies, because previously women were not exposed in those fields, and that's why we're hosting this fair, to get young girls from top junior schools to expose them to every possibility. We have exciting exhibitors this morning, and we're doing fun and innovative experiments. It's a morning that our young girls do not want to miss.
So, very happy to be in soul bishop in your community house.
Okay, so this is also an example of an exothermic reaction similar to this one, but obviously I said this one is spontaneous. We did not physically add any heat to start the reaction. As this reaction starts, potassium permanganate decomposes, and this is what we are looking at, the smart product. Okay, you learn this in grade 10. Physical science.
We are excited to share that our fourth STEM fair taking place next year will be called STEAM Fair, which means that this will also be inclusive of the arts. So from visual arts to drama to music, because we want to expose our young girls to a world of different careers and avenues that they can take. Thank you.